All right. Now we're doing Freight Code Camp, responsive web design, learn HTML by building a CatPhotoApp, step 7. All right. So we can add images to our website by using the image element, all right? Image elements have an opening tag without a closing tag. A tag for an element without a closing tag is known as a self-closing tag. Yes. It's also known as a void element as well. Let's look that up while we're at it. Let's go self-closing tag, self-closing tag, HTML. What are self-closing tags? No. There's nothing good. Here's void element. Basically, I guess this is because there's no W3 schools on this, but let's go to MDM anyway. The void element is an element in HTML that cannot have child nodes, and not that we know what that is. Void elements only have a start tag. End tags must not be specified for void elements, okay? Void element must not have an end tag, right? Didn't we just say that? For example, this input with a close input is invalid HTML. In contrast, SVG, okay. Anyway, that's why we don't go to MDM, because they like to talk about some crazy stuff. But yeah, void element, self-closing tag, same thing. So we're going to add an image element below the P element. And at this point, no image will show up in the browser, all right? And let's also look up the image tag. So IMG HTML. And this one will go a little bit quicker, all right? Pretty much the only thing that's different that this thing says is the image tag has 2 required attributes. There's going to be a source, which specifies the path to an image, and also an alt, which specifies alternative text for the image if the image for some reason can't be displayed, all right? So and then there's a ton of different attributes also. There's the source, alt, and then all these other ones as well, all right? And for an example on this one, here's an image. It's got a source smiley gift, alt. The alt text is smiley face. It's got a width, a height, and a style. And we can just see it over here. Here's the smiley face, vertical aligned bottom right here, and all kinds of stuff that we're not going to get too deep into, all right? So now we're going to add that image element below the P element. So we'll just come over here and we'll just say IMG thusly, and that's all we had to do. Let's check the code. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to step 8, and we'll see you next time.